Okay, what we have here is from UGREEN, something special. It is because UGREEN and Genshin Impact collaborated with this new box. It's a bit too big. I need to... this box is quite lightweight, but it's huge. I don't know what's inside.
I also don't know either, because from what I heard and read from their official announcement, they just say they have a collaboration.
Yes.
But they never mentioned about what kind of product.
Yes.
Anything.
Yes. I just know that the teaser is with the Kinich.
Yes.
So if you don't know, Kinich is green as well. With the... Is it considered green dragon? But I just know the character is green.
I don't know much about the dragon.
I see something interesting, but let's get...
Yeah, but one thing for sure, they will have the pixel
Dragon. I think I already found the Pixel Dragon. Oh, charger.
Oh,
damn, the box is
Chiao.
nice.
Oh,
The box is nice.
a special artwork box.
Yes.
Packaging. UGREEN Nexode, their GAN fast charger.
I think this is gonna be some sort of collector's edition as well.
Yeah, this is 65 watt. I believe we have quite a lot of this before.
This is different because it's triple port. But we'll take a look at the charger later because now this box is
another box in
huge.
the box.
You careful, don't hit the camera.
A box within the box.
Box within a box. How do I open this box?
From the side top, I guess.
Yep. Okay, let's open it up.
So for those who don't know, Nexode is their line of new branding, I should say.
Yes, for all the gun chargers.
Yeah, gun chargers.
Because last time they didn't have a special name for it.
Yeah, they just UGREEN gun charger.
Description, a bunch.
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
Amazon like
very long names.
Well, we made a meme out of it last time, but yes, they took the feedback. Take it out.
Okay. They say it's not heavy.
Ooh.
So it is like some sort of
Book?
or what?
No, it is still a box. We can open it from the bottom here, but then
They have
box
like
is
very fancy design.
very fancy. So we have leather, not leather strap. Here's some strap. This
To the
is
back.
glued to the box,
The bottom.
but the whole thing's design is very nice. So you even have a logo of authenticity. UGREEN X Genshin Impact. So we open this. Okay. Ta-da! Oh my god.
Ooh.
This is a very high quality print. We even have this.
Some sort of thank you letter or so.
Yes.
Should be.
Greetings, traveler. As you open this special package, we hope it ignites a sense of excitement and adventure within you. At UGREEN, we are committed to providing quality and exceptional experiences for every traveler's journey, just as Kinich from Genshin Impact needs a constant supply of phlogiston, I don't know how to pronounce this. To continue his journey, you too can ensure you have a reliable source of power for your adventures with this charging kit from UGREEN. Wishing you smooth and safe travels ahead. UGREEN Global Team, UGREEN X Genshin Impact. I have to admit, I don't have this character. Looks fun, but not really my thing because you need the perfume lady. So this is a very high quality print. I have no idea how to take out.
Oh,
It is really high quality. Everything is crisp and sharp. So if you're a big fan of this boy here, it's amazing. Wow. Okay.
5 compartments.
5 compartments. All 5 of them are specially designed. So first one, of course, Pixel Dragon. This one is for the cable. What's the name again?
Jiao.
What's the name in Chinese? Since you play in Chinese.
I play in Chinese. I just know it's Qiao. But English, I think it's Ajaw, A-J-A-W.
The spelling is Ajaw, but the pronunciation is
yes.
Ahao, I think. Another power bank. This one, as far as I know, is the PB72 something. This is the smaller one, so you only have the... Oh!
Was it
Custom Dragon, this
the
thing.
boot up?
Yes, custom.
Oh my goodness.
So you can see you got the Kinich here, very nice vector art. It has some texture to it. I can feel it with my fingertips, and then if you look at the side, we got more art. More art. More art. Oh. Yeah, more art. And at the top, even the USB ports are custom designed.
Yes.
Okay, interesting. And then we have this thing here. A nice portable charger, so triple ports. Double C, 1A. You got this art as well, and then more art at the back. This is a 65 watt charger, and yeah, more art.
Wow.
This one is a very compact charger, 65 watts for this size.
3 ports.
Amazing.
Small size folding prongs.
Yes, if you go to any countries that use US plugs. Good.
Yeah.
And now I got a Galaxy S25 Ultra with a MagSafe case because we got this pop socket. I'm not sure if it's actually a sticky one or a magnetic one.
We should try.
We should try. Does it suck? Oh, it does. Oh,
So
nice.
it's a magnetic pop socket.
Yes. And then now you can show off your... I don't know, maybe if you ship this guy with yourself, then you can bring him out with you. Start writing fan fiction. Inspiration. Oh, you can pop it out all the way like this. So... yeah. And finally, this is a accessory that I have not seen before, even from UGREEN. So, Qi 2 charger, of course, with all the Matlin design thing. So we have this, more art, more green color art, and the emblem. What's this tribe called again? Something canopy.
Oh yeah, because their name is oh my god, yeah, something canopy.
So this one is earbuds wireless charger plus
Your phone.
Qi 2 charger. So basically,
you probably need to adjust the angle a bit.
yeah. So you...
Is it heavy enough, the base, to handle?
Of course.
Okay, that's fine.
course.
That's fine. That's fine.
Of course, sir. What you expect? UGREEN design stuff is very nice. So again, 2-in-1 charger. So one for your phone, one for your earbuds at the bottom here.
Okay.
Good for you if you use AirPods. Since you do, I think it's...
Does it charge the AirPods or the like Samsung? Is there any specific? Is this for Apple EarPods only?
Oh no, we got one more thing. This one we have not opened yet. So, not sure why UGREEN sent this as a separate package, but...
I believe that one maybe they sell separately or...
Could be, but does that mean they sell this entire Kinich box as a set as well? Open it up, we have UK model CD0306. Oh, this one is nice. I'm taking this. So you got the Great Dragon Lord Ahau. Yes, and then more art here, Kinich.
They actually have
Everything
all
is customized.
yeah, the whole thing is not just one side.
This thing is so nice. Yeah. So triple port, 65 watts, and I'm sure you want to know what kind of charging capabilities all of these ports have. I'll leave all of the information on the screen here per product. So we have the charging tester thing, and we can actually find out what's the maximum protocol support, wattage, maximum transfer speed, and also the PD/TPS support. Now, unfortunately, our main camera decided to just not work all of a sudden, but underneath here, we have a lot more merchandise. So if I just lift this up, you can see this top half here is indeed removable, and underneath here, we have more merch. More merch. Merch alert. So we have a total of 5 things here. This is a Kinich power bank pouch. It's well, literally just a pouch. You can see more art here with the tribe logo, Kinich behind, and then here you have UGREEN Genshin Impact. Very nice quality pouch actually. And opening up, we have all of the accessories for the other stuff inside. So for example, USB-C to C cable. Actually, we have one wired charger, one wireless charger, and also one power bank. So you do need more cables. So everything is in here. And here is another pouch for the power bank itself. Dragon Lord Ahau, very nice pouch. And then secondly, we have this thing here. This is an Ahau fridge magnet. We just show you some B-roll here of me snapping it into a fridge because it's literally just a fridge magnet. A very nice fridge magnet actually. And this one here is a phone lanyard. Nowadays, phone lanyards work in a very different way. So you can see that there are 2 pieces here actually, and you also have the Dragon Lord Ahau here. So how you use this is to put this in your phone case, inside your phone case actually. So if you have a transparent phone case, you can see the Kinich wording there. If you don't, then this is how it works. You just squeeze that thing in between your phone case and your phone itself, close it tight, and it doesn't really work well with this case, but you get the idea. This is the phone lanyard. Yeah, pretty nice. And also we have this transparent card. So if you want to take a picture with Kinich here, you just put your face behind and you take a picture with it. That's pretty much it. Lastly is a acrylic standee, which is actually very high in quality. So you can see more Netland art there, Kinich. So if I just snap it in here and then snap the Dragon Lord at the bottom here, and there we go, Kinich standee. Very nice. So if you want to learn more about this UGREEN X Genshin Impact collab, then I will leave the links down in the description below. You can also join the giveaway to win this exact same box. Just again, head into the link down below for more information. If you want to purchase each individual item as shown here, this is the 65 watts GAN charger, the cable, power bank. Yeah, these 4 items are available for sale. Every price is as shown on the screen here, including the Malaysian Ringgit price and also the USD price. They are also having a promo right now. And yeah, just go get it. If you like something fancier than the usual black color that UGREEN offers and also want a new charger, this is a great deal, especially since UGREEN's chargers are very good. So yeah, check all of the details out down in the description below. Again, thanks UGREEN for sending me this box here. I really appreciate it since everything is just so beautiful. And do remember to like and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding all of the items shown here, do leave them down in the comment section below as well. I'll try to help you out, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.